Video, I'm going to show you how to clear all watch video history on Facebook. So first of all, just open up the Facebook application on your mobile, and now just tap on your profile icon in the upper right corner. And if you scroll down, you will see this option, settings and privacy. Just click on it, and from here you have to tap on this settings. So you have to search for the option activity log. Just tap on this activity log, and now you can see this window will pop up for you. Now what you have to do is you have to scroll down until you see this view log actions. Just tap on this view log actions. You will be redirected to this page, and you can see this all my history here, and you can see this filters option. Just click on it. Now tap on categories, and now you can select here videos you watch, videos you search, everything. So I'm going for videos you watched, and now you can see these are the videos I watched on Facebook. So if I tap on these three dots, you can see this option delete. So just tap on this delete, and this video has been deleted from my search history. So if you want to do this, you can do this one by one, or you can just tap on this clear video watch history and tap on this clear again, and you can see that we've started clearing your watch history. It may take a time. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.